Hello everyone, welcome to the AOCHUAN Smart S3 Quick Start tutorial. When you receive the device, first install the tripod and place the stabilizer on the desktop. Push down to unlock the yaw axis. Then rotate to open the two buckles. Then rotate the right motor to the front. Lift the right tilt axis motor. And adjust the phone holder to start installing the phone. With the phone camera facing up, pull open the phone holder to clamp the phone. Then move the back phone holder to center it. Open the roll arm locking lever. Adjust the arm left and right until the phone is naturally balanced. Then lock it back. Finally, push the phone holder up and down so that the phone is level when stationary. Then you can power on and use it. Rotate the phone holder 90 degrees, pull open the phone holder to clamp the phone. Note, phone camera facing left, magnetic part of the holder facing up, phone back tightly against the holder, and right side tightly against the tilt axis silicone pad. Open the roll arm locking lever. Adjust the arm left and right until the phone is naturally balanced, then lock it back. Finally, adjust the back phone holder so that the phone is level when stationary. Then you can power on and use it. Bluetooth connection. Next, connect the phone to the stabilizer via Bluetooth. Open your phone's Bluetooth settings, find the device named Smart S3, and tap to connect. The Bluetooth status icon on the Smart S3 touch screen turns blue, indicating successful connection. At this time, open the phone's native camera, single-click the shutter button to shoot. Button functions. Shutter button. After connecting Bluetooth, single-click the shutter button to record video or take photos. In the app, triple-click the shutter button to switch between front and rear cameras. M button. Single-click the upper M button to switch between PF mode, F mode, L mode, and POV mode. The corresponding icon will appear on the touch screen. Triple-click to enable DM auto-rotation mode. The stabilizer will continuously rotate automatically and support shooting at any angle. Joystick. Push the joystick up, down, left, or right to adjust the shooting direction. Trigger button. Long press the trigger button at the back of the handle to enter L mode. Release to return to the previous mode. While holding the stabilizer horizontally, single-click the trigger button to quickly switch between landscape and portrait. Double-click to quickly recenter the phone. Triple-click to enter wide-angle mode. Triple-click again to recenter the motors. If you need to enable wide-angle mode and vertical shooting, please note that wide-angle mode will trigger phone rotation. When mounting the phone, push it upward to avoid collision with the stabilizer during rotation. Then adjust the roll axis to prevent it from hitting the pan axis motor while rotating, and you can power it on for use. After powering on, triple-click the trigger button to enter wide-angle mode. Triple-click again to recenter the motors. Quad-click to perform a 180 degrees horizontal flip of the phone. Wheel combo button. Click the wheel combo button to switch between zoom, focus, tilt adjustment, and light adjustment modes. In the app, turning the wheel forward zooms in, backward zooms out, default zoom mode. In focus mode, turning the wheel forward blurs the image, backward sharpens it. In tilt adjustment mode, turning the wheel forward adjusts upward tilt, backward adjusts downward tilt. In light adjustment mode, turning the wheel forward increases fill light brightness, backward decreases it. Double-click the wheel button to enter surround shooting mode. The surround icon lights up for 360 degrees automatic panoramic shooting. Triple-click the wheel button to enter tilt shooting mode. The tilt shooting icon lights up. Touchscreen status bar icons. Next, let's learn the touchscreen status bar icons. From left to right, gimbal battery, surround shooting status, tilt shooting status, zoom mode, focus mode, tilt adjustment mode, light adjustment mode, fill light brightness percentage, AI tracking status, Bluetooth connection status. Touchscreen functions. The Smart S3 screen is touch-enabled. Home screen functions, gimbal mode, AI tracking, lens switch, wide-angle switch. Gimbal mode, tap to switch between PF mode, F mode, L mode and POV mode. AI tracking, tap to turn AI tracking on or off. Lens switch, tap to switch between front or rear AI tracking cameras. Wide-angle switch, tap to enable wide-angle mode. Middle page, surround shooting, tilt shooting, horizontal flip, inception mode, trajectory time-lapse, light adjustment, surround shooting, tap to enable surround mode. Tilt shooting, tap to enable tilt shooting. Horizontal flip, tap to enable 180 degrees horizontal flip. Inception mode, tap to enable inception mode. Trajectory time-lapse, tap to enter secondary page, set start and end points and duration using the joystick. Then press Start Shooting. Start point setting, move gimbal with joystick, press Start to set start point. End point setting, move gimbal with joystick, press End to set end point. Shooting duration, tap the time setting icon to enter the settings page. Drag the progress bar or use plus or minus to set duration. Max 180 minutes. After pressing Start Shooting, the gimbal will automatically perform trajectory time-lapse shooting. Tap to enter the secondary page. Light adjustment, slide progress bars to adjust built-in fill light and fill light module brightness. Other settings, from top to bottom, language, joystick settings, follow speed, level calibration, AI settings, factory reset, version information. You can enter the secondary pages to make adjustments according to your needs. AI tracking and gesture recognition. After powering on, AI tracking is off by default, gesture recognition is on. Gesture range, 0.5 to 3.5 meters, tracking range, 0.5 to 6 meters. Tap lens switch on home screen to switch front or rear AI camera. The corresponding indicator light stays blue. OK gesture, make OK gesture to enable AI tracking. The indicator light will turn green. If the green light flashes during tracking, it means the subject is lost. Palm gesture, make palm gesture to disable AI tracking. Blue light solid. Yes gesture. Make yes gesture for 3-second countdown photo. The indicator light will flash white 3 times, then perform the photo capture or video recording. Double L gesture. Make a double L gesture toward the camera to customize the composition. The sky blue light will flash. Recognize the gesture again to confirm the composition. The tracking mode will then follow your adjusted composition. Gimbal modes. Smart S3 has 3 motor axes. Pan axis, left-right. Tilt axis, up-down. Roll axis, tilt direction. Smart S3 has 5 modes, which can be checked on the touch screen. PF mode. In PF mode, pan axis movable, tilt and roll locked. For horizontal panning shots. F mode. In F mode, the pan axis and tilt axis are movable, while the roll axis is locked. When you rotate the stabilizer handle left-right or up-down, the phone will follow the movement. It is suitable for shooting horizontal panning shots as well as tilt up and down shots. L mode. In L mode, all three axes of the stabilizer are locked. It is suitable for push-pull shots, tracking shots, and other stable camera movements. POV mode. In POV mode, all three axes of the stabilizer are unlocked. In addition to the same functions as F mode, POV mode allows tilted shooting, making it ideal for dynamic shots at any angle. DM rotation mode. Phone automatically performs 180 degrees rotation shots. This is the end of the Smart S3 Quick Start tutorial. Thank you for watching.